I would like to express my gratitude for giving me this wonderful chance to speak on Republic Day. We are gathered here to commemorate our country's 75th Republic Day. Imagine a land where everyone has the right to dream big and to strive relentlessly to chase those dreams. Republic Day signifies us the realization of a dream of freedom, equality and justice for all. Thus, my dear friends, it is only through the magic of a republic that we the people are the true kings and queens. To add a meaningful touch to the celebration, students across the country are encouraged to deliver a speech that inspire, inform and evoke a sense of patriotism. Republic Day not only symbolizes the birth of a sovereign nation, but also serves as a reminder of our duties and responsibilities as citizens. Republic Day is not just a national holiday. It marks the day when India adopted its constitution. It signifies the establishment of India as sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic Republic Day. On this day, we remember and honor the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and leaders who fought tirelessly for India's independence and democratic future. The Constitution of India, the longest constitution of any sovereign country in the world, was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and a team of brilliant minds. It guarantees the fundamental rights to all its citizens such as equality, freedom and justice regardless of their religion, caste, race or gender. It is a living document that has evolved over the years, ensuring that every Indian citizen is empowered and protected. On this day, we witness grand parade. The parade showcases the India's defense capability and unity in diversity. As we know, there are many traditions, cultures, religions in India, but we still having unity in diversity.